AIMSMART, your review authority.
Kung bago ka sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang pindutin ang like, subscribe button, at notification bell para otomatiko kang maa-update sa mga latest videos na tiyak na makakatulong sa iyo.
Judicious Backbone, answer key to the AIMSMART Special Final Coaching Book, latest edition.
Introduction to Philippine Criminal Justice System. 1. Criminal Justice System. 2. Prosecution. 3. Human rights violations. 4. Crime control. 5. General. 6. All of the above. 7. Law enforcement. 8. Court. 9. Court. 10. Corrections.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
11. Corrections. 12. Offender. 13. Discretion. 14. Law enforcement. 15. PNP. 16. NBI. 17. The right to appeal in an adverse judgment. 18. Arrest. 19. Arrest warrant. 20. Warrantless arrest.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
21. In Flagrante Delicto. 22. Entrapment. 23. Miranda warning. 24. The right to appeal in an adverse judgment. 25. Prisoner's arrest. 26. Filing an administrative case against the Chief of Police. 27. Bail. 28. Collateral. 29. Provide the court with evidence. 30. National Prosecution Service.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
31. To render judgment. 32. Preliminary investigation. 33. Probable cause. 34. To adjudicate the case based on merits. 35. Complaint. 36. Information. 37. Number of witnesses. 38. Subpoena. 39. Chief Public Attorney's Office. 40. Clerk of Court.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
41. Prosecutor. 42. Court. 43. Conducting inquest. 44. Judge. 45. Jurisdiction. 46. Venue. 47. Territorial jurisdiction. 48. Exclusive jurisdiction. 49. Place where the crime was committed. 50 BP 129.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
51 Shari'a Circuit Court. 52 Family Court. 53 Municipal Trial Court. 54 Regional Trial Court. 55 Court of Appeals. 56 Supreme Court. 57 Arraignment. 58 Recognizance. 59 Produce the body. 60 Judgment.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
61 Corrections. 62 6. 63 Penalty. 64 Commitment Order. 65 Contraband. 66 Imprisonment. 67 Rehabilitating prisoners. 68 Jail. 69 Destierro. 70 Counsel and Reprimand.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
71 Imprisonment. 72 Department of Justice. 73 Executive. 74 Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. 75 Interior and Local Government. 76 Jail. 77 Prison. 78 Sentenced. 79 Detention. 80 Convicted of a crime. 81 Safekeeping. 82 Prisonization. 83 Proselytizing. 84 Custodial Officers whim. 85 Executive Clemency. 86 Probation. 87 Reintegration. 88 Diversion. 89 Community. 90 Family.
AIMSMART, your review authority.
91 Participative Law Enforcement. 92 Team Policing. 93 Katarungang Pambarangay. 94 Republic Act 7160. 95 To worsen the court docket congestion. 96 It unnecessarily prolongs the administration of justice. 97 1 year. 98 Barangay Chairman. 99 Serious physical injuries. 100 Persons in authority.
Judicious backbone. Answer key to the AIMSMART Special Final Coaching Book, latest edition.
Nabitin ka ba sa ating talakayan? Panoorin mo ang iba pang videos ng ating Justice Body. Dahil ang sabi sa Kawikaan 13:20, Ang nakikisama sa may unawa ay magiging matalino, ngunit ang kasama ng mangmang ay masusuong sa gulo. Philippine Introduction to Philippine Criminal Justice System.